In this video, you will learn how to hook up a portable generator to your home step by step. Step 1 is that you should always place your portable generator outdoor in a well ventilated area away from your doors and windows so that the generator exhaust does not enter your home. Next, you need to locate the outdoor inlet box for the generator if it is already installed. But however, if it is not installed, you would require a qualified electrician to install this. Do not try this yourself. Next, you need to connect the power cable in the outlet of your generator as shown here on the screen. Next, you need to connect the other side of the power cable in the outdoor inlet box of your house. Now you need to go inside your home and you need to locate the manual transfer panel switch, which is generally installed adjacent to your main electrical power panel. As a safety measure, you need to switch off your main power supply so that the generator supply may not backfeed into the grid. Now onto the manual transfer switch, you need to move the individual circuit breakers from your power line to the generator position. The next step is to start the generator, but before you start your generator, you must read the manufacturer's instruction before starting the generator. Now if the everything goes fine, you should have the power in your lights and the electric appliances from your generator. At the end, a safety instruction: never place your generator indoor in a garage or any closed space. Always keep it outdoor where it is properly ventilated. So if you found this tutorial useful, give this video a like and consider subscribing.